Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your profile on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it usually opens up in the explore page, where we have some suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile. Then we have to tap on our profile, and then at the bottom we find it's time to create your profile, and then create profile. We just tap on this, and here we have some questions, some things that we might want to add, and we just have to complete this form, and thereby we can create our profile and tell some things about us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.